Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? This is your girl Naturally Her, and I am back with another natural hair tutorial. My hair is a mess, but this week I'm going to show you all a natural hair tutorial featuring Sensationnel's natural hair clip-ins. Let's go. For this look, we have our clip-ins, leave-in conditioner, braiding gel, jam, a comb, hair clips, and bobby pins. First things first, we're going to part our hair into two sections, with the smaller section being in the front. After that, we're going to put all of our emphasis on the back section, and in the back, all we're going to do is create flat twists. This part is completely up to you with how many you create. I'm probably going to make around 6 to 8. Do not worry about parting or perfection because this part of our hair is going to be covered up anyway. And at the ends of my flat twist, all I'm going to do is create mini bantu knots, and then I'm just going to repeat this step all the way through the back section of my hair. Okay, quick side note. So if y'all see me cheesing and giggling, y'all, I'm on the phone. I stay on the phone when I'm doing my hair. And just like that, the back of our hair is now complete. So we got all of our flat twists and bantu knots. Now on to the front. Alright, so with these two sections of hair, all I'm going to do is create 2 French braids. Again, this part is completely up to you. If you're not a braider, feel free to do a flat twist. Alright y'all, one down, one more to go. And again, this part is completely up to you. Feel free to use your edge control, some braiding gel. I thought I was going to use mine, but the gem is working just fine. And y'all know I'm not too crazy about having my edges laid, so do what works for you in this moment. And voila y'all, we are halfway done. Look at us. So now we're going to go back to the back and focus on our flat twist. Now depending on how long your hair is, your bantu knots may be just fine, but my hair is pretty long and pretty thick, so what I'm going to do is just begin to roll my flat twist under, and then I'm going to pin my hair down. Okay, and there's no special way to do this, but all I'm trying to do is just make my hair a little bit flatter in the back, so when I do attach my clip-in, it's not bumpy or big. You know, I want it to lay naturally. So when you're done, it may look something like this. Now that that's over, here comes the fun part. We're just going to begin to apply our clip-ins. And typically I do follow how the bag is organized. So clips at the bottom, or the shortest clips, will go on the bottom. And then the mid-length will go in the middle, or then the longest will go at the top. Another side note, I know y'all are probably looking at my bantu knots like, girl, didn't you tell us not to do that? And I did, because I did complete this look with the bantu knots. And that's how I know it was messy and it didn't look well. Did go back and change it. Next up, we do have to figure out what to do with our leave out. So for me, I'm just going to pin my 2 braids in the back with a bobby somewhat into my clip-ins. And then I'm just going to apply the additional clip-ins over and around that hair. What you could do is also take your braids and wrap them around the outside of your clip-ins to give like this halo look. However, my hair was not long enough and the texture wasn't quite right, but depending on your hair, that could definitely be an option. Okay, now, so for a little razzle dazzle, I guess I'm gonna entertain y'all and use some edge control and brush my edges down just a little bit. And from there, y'all already know the drill. It is now time for us to wrap our hair. Okay, y'all, now let's get into this final look. I don't know about y'all, but I'm here for it. This is super cute. I look like I just grew that out of my scalp. I love the texture. I love the movement. I love everything about this look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you stay tuned for photos. Bye.